Okay, now we're ready for the exhaust side. And how are we going to start off, Jeff?
So we're going to grind the three angles, start with the 60, and the 30, and the 45, just like the intake. And this is where I'm going to actually adjust the stem heights. Usually you have to grind the valve face a little bit more and actually sink the seat a little bit more to have even stem heights all the way across, intake and exhaust.
Alrighty.
Check it. Okay, we're still way off. Right there. Put a fresh 30 on the stone, make it nice and flat. 30 degrees. Just for the heck of it, we're going to put the valve in. Before I put the 45 on it, I would go ahead and we're gonna check the stem heights. Okay. So as you can see, the tip of the exhaust is not touching like our intakes. So I need to sink the exhaust just a little bit more with 30, and then the rest on the valve. Well, I'll actually grind the valve face like we did the intakes.
Alrighty.
You know, so we have a fairly wide 30 on there now. So
Okay.
that means that I need to bring the 60 back. I need to widen it up again. So I need to bring it out so it'll match up to our 2 points. A little bit more. Here. See now we're really close. It's almost, see how I'm moving it? That's
Yep.
how much space. So that's about 15 thousandths right there.
Okay.
Clearance. So don't want to put any more 30 on it. That's fine. Now bring out your dicum. Now we're going to put a 45 on it.
All right. Check it. Okay, pretty much right there. So, All three straight as an arrow.
yep.
Here's 2. Alrighty. And now what are we about ready to do?
Okay, we're gonna grind a fresh 45 on this exhaust valve. Just kiss it as lightly as possible so it won't change our stem height. Here we go.
Okay.
Ever so slightly. it. The original 45 cut is gone, and a new surface has been made.
Wow. Like shiny all the way around.
Okay. Check it. Okay. Pretty much right there. So.
All three straight as an arrow?
Yep. I mean, I would have done the other exhaust seat, but yet I'd just go through the whole procedure on the one seat to show you, So all the valves should be level, all the tips like this, all the way across. So I'll do the other exhaust, not on camera, but yet I'll finish it that way. And anyway.
A good solid starting point.
Yep. So anyway, let me show you. You can see there's a little bit of a shiny, and then the true sealing surface.
Yes.
And the rest of the 45. I'll lap it in. It'll be so.
Wow.
Okay.
Alrighty. Alright, let's see what it looks like. See if the alrighty.